Okay, should be interesting. It's like cheese. Yeah, it's like aerated cheese. I just don't know if it's actually cheese or not, but it's sweet and it tastes good. A little bit of traffic in the morning before I get to my first destination. Yes, I'm filming while I'm driving. This is stupid. Don't do it. And my first destination is U-Haul. My day's already off to an awesome start. I had to come to U-Haul today to get a truck because we are destaging our property that we just sold in Mount Washington. And I went to the wrong U-Haul. I was rushing this morning, and I don't do that often, and I was on time. And I was rushing this morning to get to U-Haul after I dropped the kids off at school. Rushed to U-Haul. I'm on time, feeling good. Gonna destage this house, and it's the wrong one. And they don't have a truck for me at the other U-Haul that'll fit everything from destaging the house in Mount Washington, so I had to rush over here. Still doing all right on time. I'm only gonna be about 10 minutes late. So got my truck, and now I'm headed to the house to pack it all up and take it to storage. We made it to the house, and as you can see, we are now packing the U-Haul truck. The U-Haul is going to be filled with everything that, well, not everything, but a lot of what we use to stage this house. This was our house, and then we sold it. We bought it for $930 in November of 2023, and we sold it for $1.625 in, what is it, October of 2024. This was all of our stuff that we used to stage. So we had this cute little dollhouse, a desk. These were outside. My rubber tree, this beautiful rubber tree is live. And I remember people coming into the open houses, touching it and seeing if it was live. We have a beautiful pot here, water fountain from Olive Atelier here in Los Angeles, and some vintage and antique pieces we've been collecting over the years. This is all of our own stuff that we own. And we use it to stage the homes. We collect nonstop, constantly buying art and furniture and sculptures and different objects to use to stage our homes. We custom built this railing here for the home. We renovated the entire home. Everything in this home was touched by us, except for these. Actually, these were reclaimed. These are travertine, and we just kept them. All brand new floors, marble and travertine in a checker pattern. And it's empty with cleaning supplies all around, so excuse the mess. We did all the molding, all the trim. These corbels, these are custom made. Nothing was here. The door, we added that door. We repaired the fireplace, this hearth, and the mantle. It looks so different, empty, wow. Brand new floors, white oak floors, new fixtures. We restored these doors, and then we did a patio, the tile, all brand new tile on the patio out here in this really cute checkered pattern with the little tile, square tiles in between the larger format square tiles. New light fixtures. These light fixtures are brand new, and then we trimmed out the door with this cute Spanish blue and white tile. And we continued that in multiple places around the home. I was here for 3 months trying to sell this house, and I enjoyed it, and I'm gonna miss it. But on to the next. That's the life of in real estate here in Los Angeles. You just keep going. Buy it, fix it, and sell it. Or if you're listing it, you're there for like a month. We added some new landscaping over here, and new front door. This was the dining room, and we have a little tiny office slash, I guess you could call it guest room. We added this mantle, custom marble top for the mantle. This is honed marble, so that takes away the shine. This was a window, and we opened this up to make it a door, so that way you could get outside. These are not new. They're new, but they're not antiques. The doors are antiques. This is a antique, and these are antiques. Yeah, I love that. So that way you can pull out your pocket doors. These are antiques. And we added these as well. This wall was not here. This wall was a little bit further out this way. And this was kind of opened up into this room. This dining room was opened up into the living room. And then we decided to close it off and push this wall back to make a nice cozy space here and a dining room, because in the kitchen was half the size. So right where that island is where the kitchen was on this side. And then on the side where the window is was the dining room. So we took out that wall in the middle and made this beautiful grand kitchen, all custom cabinetry with storage for cutting boards and wine. And then we have these pantries here, and we put power in this one so that you can have your appliances in here. Super helpful to have, power in these pantries for coffee makers, blenders, whatever it is, and it's kind of away from the rest of the kitchen. This comes with the house. It's a French draper table. And then this is marble countertop. These really beautiful French doors for the stove. And all the drawers are soft close. So we like to do that in all of our homes. We brought everything to my storage unit in Pasadena, and it's full. So I needed to rent another one because my unit's full. And I'm gonna fill up another one. 2 storage units now, full of furniture. Bed sheets and pillows and tables and chairs, dressers, coffee tables, rugs, cups, bowls, knives, forks. Basically everything you could possibly need to live in a house. I've got enough to live in about 10 houses. And counting. It's not stopping. That is my life. Here at the unit, unpacking the furniture from the Sunny Hill project. And then it's just a matter of time before I'm gonna need it again and have to come back to this unit. Now I have 2 units to choose furniture from. And it's not stopping. We are buying furniture every day. We buy art every day. We buy rugs every day. We buy everything you need to furnish your home every single day. It's not stopping. Growth. That's what that's called, growth. There it is. Just a couple homes in there. And then we'll get it out of here, put into the unit, and that's it. That'll be the end of this trip. And next trip, after I'm done here, all in the same day, we'll be head to a site we just finished construction at. All right, I am now having lunch break, and I have no clue what this is, cheese foam tea, but I'm gonna give it a go. Okay. And this one's viral. This has gone viral, but I'm not getting that. I'm gonna get the chicken bowl. But in case you're wondering, I woke up late, it's viral. I'm here, I'm taking a lunch break at a spot in Pasadena, right around where our storage unit is. These are by far my least favorite days. The days where we have to take all the furniture out of the homes or move furniture, we're have to haul trash. We're a small team, so I generally get involved to save money, and I guess it's part of your job. When you're in real estate, you just gotta do some things that you just don't want to do. Got my cheese foam tea. I'm gonna figure out what this is all about. All right. Oh shit, it's on there hard. Let's see if this is, I want to know if it's actual cheese or what it is. There's like a layer of something on there. This huge straw fits right in there. I want to see if it's cheese. I don't know what it is, but good. Very good. What is that? Is it cheese?
Cheese foam.
What?
Cheese foam.
Cheese foam, okay. I don't know if it's actually cheese foam, but it's pretty good. And I ordered chicken nuggets. All right, so I'm not quite sure if it's actual cheese or not, but it's good. It's like cheese a little bit, but it's salty and it's cold. And it's like foamy, like she said. Yeah, it's like aerated cheese. I just don't know if it's actually cheese or not, but it's sweet and it tastes good. So, yeah, I mean, I'd recommend it. Pretty good. Thank you, Miss Cheese, for my lunch. All right, final stop of the day. Remove the trash. Yeah, so much trash during construction. And we are wrapped on this project, so we are going to take all this to the dump. And then my day is done. Not too shabby. Last stop of the trip for the day, the dump. Yep, this is it. Shoal Canyon dump. This is a dump in Los Angeles. Some shoes. Whoa, a lot of shoes. Someone just offloaded some shoes. And this is where they take the area's trash and then sew it into the earth. Man, I was just in Bodega Bay yesterday. One of the most beautiful places on earth. And I come back to LA, oh shit. I just got honked at, sorry. Almost got run over by a tractor. And now I'm here, back to work, back to reality. I wish I was back in Bodega Bay. Yeah, this dirt just gets distributed, all the trash gets distributed, and then they have dirt coming in from other job sites, and they mix the dirt with trash and then layer it and layer it and layer it. And it looks like that after a while. And then it just disappears. It's gone. That's it. All the trash. That's the after. This is the before, right? This is where it comes from. All the trash comes from these job sites, right? Then it goes up into the hillside. It gets distributed nice and evenly across this hill. And then they just make mounds of it. And that looks like some plastic wrap. So they layer the plastic, dirt, and then plastic, and then dirt on top of that. And all this dirt, and it comes from the city, from all the places, all the construction around the city. They excavate and then bring the dirt up to the dump, and then they layer the dirt in with the trash. And then 10 minutes away from here is a golf course on top of the old dump. Then they build golf courses on it. The whole ground is shaking right now as this thing drives past. Thing is massive. Oh my God, it feels like an earthquake. Oh shit. Look at that. Boom. I should be wearing my mask, but I'm not wearing a mask. Whatever. Takes it all the way. And then follows his friend up the hill. The whole ground is shaking. So strange, like an earthquake. My last trip of the day here is the dump in Los Angeles. And I'm done for the day. That's it. No more of this for a while. After I do the dump and the moving, it's not that often, I would say, you know, in terms of my daily workload. I'm not really at the dump that much. I'm not at the storage unit that much, moving and staging. So I can't really complain. I hate it, but I can't complain. It's just part of the job.